Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 2.3. Here we discuss about the circular and rectangular pathway. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 2.3. Here we discuss about the pathway. Listen, circular pathway. The area of pathway is the difference between the area of outer circle and inner circle. Listen the figure. Here outer circle and it is the inner circle. From the center point to the inner circle, that is the length of the center point and the inner circle is radius r, that is inner radius small r, and then distance between the center point and the outer circle, that is called outer radius, denoted by the letter capital R, and in between the difference between the outer circle and inner circle, that is the width of the circle, denoted by the letter W. Listen, the area of pathway is the difference between the area of outer circle and inner circle. Area of circular pathway formula, listen, outer circle pi r square, that is capital R square minus pi small r square. Here pi is common, so taken out as common. Inside the bracket capital R square minus small r square, square units, that is the formula, pi into r square minus r square, capital R square minus small r square, square units, that is the formula. Here r is the, capital R is the outer radius and small r is the inner radius. Listen, this is the width, no? In case they given radius and width, how will you find out the capital R? Means R equal to R plus width, that is a formula to find out the capital R, outer radius, right? Next one, rectangular pathway. Listen, which one is pathway here in circle? This is the pathway. Now, rectangular pathway. The area of rectangular pathway is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. What is the formula for area of rectangle? That is L into B. Here outer rectangle means capital L, capital B minus inner rectangle small l, small b. Here they given length, breadth small l, small r, small b means we have to find out the outer length. How will you find out that? L equal to, capital L equal to L plus 2 into width. Listen, width means around the rectangle, the extension is the width. Listen, that is W. Here also extended. So this side, so 2 into width, L plus 2 into width, and B equal to B plus 2 into width, where L is the length, B is the breadth and W is the path. Here this is the pathway. That is the pathway, area of pathway, right? Now let me see the exercise problems. First sum, find the area of a circular pathway whose outer radius is 32 centimeter and inner radius is 18 centimeter. Listen, outer radius given outer radius, that is which are outer radius means capital R equal to 32 centimeter, and then inner radius, that is small r equal to 18 centimeter. Now area of pathway, equal to pi into r square minus r square square unit. Now what is the value of pi? 22/7, and then here r square 32 square minus 18 square, 22/7 into 32 square means 32 into 32, 32 into 32, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 1024 minus 18 square, that means 18 into 18, 8 8s are 64, carry over 4, 6, 1 8 is 8, plus 6 14, 1 18s are 18, 324, 22/7 into 1024 minus 324, 0 0, 10 minus 3 7, so 700. Now cancel this number by 7th table. 7 1 is 7, here also 7 1 is 7, put the two zeros means 100 times. So remaining number 22 into 100, bracket means it is in multiplication, everyone knows that. So 22 into 1, 22, put the two zeros, so 2200, it is in centimeter, so squared centimeter, that is the area of pathway. That is the answer. Second sum, there is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 meter width is laid around the lawn. What will be the area of the path? Listen, circular lawn, radius 28 centimeter, meter. So imagine that it is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 meter width is laid around the lawn. So here one path is there. Its width is how much? 7 meter. That is width. So we have to find out first outer radius. They did not given the outer radius, so find out first. Given inner radius R equal to 28 meter and width of the pathway, that is W equal to 7 meter. Now outer radius capital R equal to What's the formula? R plus W. That is equal to 28 plus 7. We get 35 meter. That is capital R. Outer radius. Now we have to find out the area of the path. Area of the pathway equal to, what's the formula? Pi into R squared minus R squared square unit. That is 22 by 7 into R square is 35 squared minus small r squared, that is 28 squared. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 35 squared. 35 into 35. 5 5s are 25. Carry over 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17. 3 5s are 15. Again carry over 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 1225 minus again 28 square. So 28 into 28. 6 6 are 36. Sorry, 8 8s are 64. Carry over 6. 2 8s are 16 plus 6 22. 2 8s are 16. Carry over 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So 784. Now what we have to do? 1225 minus 784 means we get 1. Here 2 minus 8 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. It becomes 11. Here it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 4. 11 minus 7 4. 22 by 7 into 441. Now cancel this number. 1 7 is 7. 6 7s are 42. Balance 2 here. It becomes 21. That is 3 times. So remaining number 22 into 63. 63 into 22. 6. 6 2s are 12. Again second table, so same answer. 1386. Here they given in meter, so meter squared or square meter. Both are same. Area of the pathway equal to 1386 meter square. That is the answer. Third sum. A circular carpet whose radius is 106 centimeter is laid on a circular hall of radius 120 centimeter. Find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. Listen. A hall in circle shape. A carpet, its radius is how much? 120 centimeter. A circular carpet is put there. Its radius is 106. So we want to find out the uncovered area, that is pathway, right? Listen. That is 120 centimeter. It is 106 centimeter. So given radius of the hall, that is capital R, equal to 120 centimeter. and then radius of the carpet, that is small r, that is 106 centimeter. Now area of uncovered portion of the hall, that is equal to pi into r squared minus r squared square units. 22 by 7, value of pi is 22 by 7, r square, that is 120 squared minus 106 squared. So 22 by 7, 120 into 120. Listen, we know that 12 12s are 144. Here 1 0, here 1 0. So put 2 zeros. So 14,400 minus 106 into 106. 6 6 are 36. 3 1 6 is 6. 0 and first table, get the same answer. So 11,236. Now 22 by 7, 14,400 minus 11,236 means we get 0 minus 6 is not possible. From here we borrow 1, it becomes 3, it becomes 10. Again we borrow 1 from here, so it becomes 9. Here 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. Here 3. 3 1 6 4. Now cancel the numbers. 1 7 is 7. 4 7s are 28. Balance 3. It becomes 36. 5 7s are 35. Balance 1. It becomes 14. So that is 2 times. So remaining numbers are 22 into 452. Now multiply this number. 452 into 22. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Carry over 1. 4 2s are 8, 9. Second table also. So we get the same number, 904. So answer is 9,944. It is in centimeter. So we have to put square centimeter. That is the area of the uncovered region. That is the answer. Fourth sum. A school ground is in the shape of a circle with radius 103 meter. 4 tracks each of 3 meter wide has to be constructed inside the ground. Listen, this is the ground of the school. Here inside the ground they want to construct 4 tracks, 1 2 3 4. So 4 tracks, each of wide is 3 meter. The ground radius is 103 meter, that is capital R, right? Now each of the wide is 3 meter. So here 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. So that is width. 3 meter. Now we want to find out the inner circle radius. Inner circle radius, how will you find out that? Listen, write down first what they given. Radius of the ground. Radius of ground, that is capital R, equal to 103 meter. That is given. And then width of one track. One track equal to how much? 3 meter. Now it has how many width? How many track? 1, 2, 3, 4 tracks. So width of 4 tracks equal to 4 into 3, that is 12 meter. Now we want to find out radius. Radius of inner ground. This one, inner ground, that is, what's the formula? R minus 4 tracks, so 4 width. R minus 4 width, R is 103 minus 4 width, we found that 12 meter. So R equal to 91 meter. 103 minus 12, 91. So small r equal to 91 meter. Now we want to find out this area, tracks area, right? So area of 4 tracks equal to pi into r minus r square units. Now 22 by 7 into r square minus r square. R square is 103 squared minus small r squared 91 squared. 21 by 7 into, listen, 103 into 103. 103 square means 103 into 103. 3 3s are 9, 0, 1 3 is 3. 0 into anything, 0. 1 into 103, 103. 0, 6, 0, 1. And then 91 square. 91 squared means 91 into 91. 1 91s are 91, 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81. So 1, 18, here 2, 8. Now 10,609 minus 8,281. Right? Next one. 22 by 7. Listen, subtract this one, right? 10,609 minus 8,281. 8. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So, borrow 1 from here. It becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 10 minus 8, 2. So what's the value? 2328. Now multiply this one. This is not possible to cancel the numbers. So we have to multiply 22 into 2328. So 2328 into 22. 8 2s are 16. Carry over 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 3 2s are 6. 4, 2 2s are 4. So again 2 tables, so same answer will become. So add this one. Five 1 216 51,216 divided by 7. So divide 1. 7 sevens are 49. Balance 2. Bring down 2, it becomes 22. 3 sevens are 21. Balance 1. Bring down 1, it becomes 11. 1 time. Balance 4. Bring down 6 means 46. Here 6 times 42. Balance 4. Keep point and put 0. 5 times 35. 50. That is 7 times 49. 1 is balance here. So after the decimal point 2 digit is enough. So answer 7316.57 meter squared. That is area. We want to find out the cost of constructing. Now cost of constructing, how much? Constructing at rupees 50 per meter squared. So 1 meter per meter means 1 meter, 50 rupees 1 meter square. Here 7316.57 meter square. So 7316.57 into 50. Now multiply this one. 7 5s are 35. Carry over 3. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32. Carry over 3. 1 5 is 5 plus 3 8. 3 5s are 15. Carry over 1. 7 5s are 35 36. So here 0 means here also put 0. Before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So how much? Three lakhs 65,828.50. That is the answer. Cost of constructing rupees 3,65,828.50. That is the answer. Fifth sum. The figure shown in the aerial view of the pathway. Find the area of the pathway. Listen, this is the pathway. So we have to find out this area. They give an outer rectangle length and breadth and inner rectangle length and breadth. Solution. Here outer rectangle and inner rectangle. Outer rectangle length should be in capital letter. So outer rectangle length is 80 meter and breadth is 50 meter and inner rectangle small l 70 meter length and breadth is equal to 40 meter. Now area of rectangular pathway. Area of rectangular pathway is equal to LB minus LB square unit. Listen, LB, that is 80 into 50 minus 70 into 40. 8 5s are 40. Here 1 0, here 1 0. So put 2 zeros. Minus 7 4s are 28. Here 1 0, here 1 0. Put 2 zeros. So 4000 minus 2800. From 4000 subtract 2800 means 0 minus 8 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. And here 3 is there. So 3 minus 2, 1. So answer 1200 meter squared. That is the area of the pathway. That is the answer. Sixth sum. A rectangular garden has dimensions 11 meter into 8 meter. A path of 2 meter wide has to be constructed along its sides. Find the area of the path. Listen. A garden is there. It is in rectangular shape. Its dimensions means length into breadth. So length is 11 meter, breadth is 8 meter. A path of 2 meter wide has to be constructed along the sides. Listen. In this garden, a path to be constructed with the wide 2 meter. So its wide is 2 meter. That is wide. Now what is the length, inner length and breadth? First we want to find out that. Listen. Outer rectangle. Outer rectangle. Its length is L equal to 11 meter and breadth B equal to 8 meter. Now we want to find out inner rectangle. Inner rectangle, they given the width W equal to 2 meter. Now inner length is L minus 2 meter. So L minus 2W, 2 into width. L is 11 minus 2 into width is 2. So 11 minus 4, 7 meter, that is L. And then breadth B equal to B minus 2W. Here capital B is what? 8 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 meter. 8 minus 4, so 4 meter, that is small b. Now area of the rectangular path. Equal to LB minus LB square unit. What is capital L and capital B? 11 into 8 minus small l small b 7 into 4. 11 8s are 88 minus 7 4s are 28. So 88 minus 28, 60 meter squared. That is the area of the path. So this is area of the path. It is 60 meters square. That is the answer. Seventh sum. A picture is painted on a ceiling of the marriage hall whose length and breadth are 18 meter and 7 meter respectively. There is a border of 10 centimeter along each of its sides. Find the area of the border. Listen. Ceiling of the marriage hall, its border, that is the ceiling of the marriage hall is length 18 meter and 7 meter breadth. That is the border. How many centimeter? 10 centimeter is that. Now we want to find out the area of this border. Right? So how will you find out that? Listen. First what they given, write down. Length of the hall. Length of hall L equal to 18 meter and its breadth B equal to 7 meter. Width of the border they given W equal to 10 centimeter. Listen, length and breadth in meter but width given as centimeter. So we want to find change into meter. How will you change into meter? 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Right? Now we want to find out 10 centimeter equal to 10 by 100. So 1 0 cancelled. That is 1. Here denominator 0 only. So 1 digit before we have to keep the point. So 0.1 meter. So W equal to 0.1 meter. And now length of the inner rectangle. Length of the inner side. Inner rectangle. L equal to L minus 2W. What is L here? 18 minus 2 into 0.1. So 18 minus 2 into 1 2, 0 into 2 0. So 18 minus 0.2. 0 minus 2 is not possible, so borrow 1 from here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 7, so 17. 17.8 meter. That is length of the inner rectangle. And now breadth of the inner rectangle. B equal to B minus 2 into W. We know that 2 into W, that is 0.2. So 7 minus 0.2. 7.0 and 0.2 we have to subtract 0 minus 2 is not possible, so 10 minus 2 8. Here borrow 1 from here means it becomes 6, so 6.8 meter, that is breadth. Now area of the border, that is equal to LB minus LB square units, that is L into B greater, that is capital letter, so 18 into 7 minus L into B, that is 17.8 into 6.8. Now we have to multiply that numbers. 18 sevens are 8 sevens are 56, carry over 5, so 1 7 is 7 plus 5 126, and here 17.8 into 6.8, 8 8s are 64, 7 8s are 56 plus 6 62, carry over 6, 1 8 is 8 plus 6 14. Again sixth table, 8 6 are 48, 7 is 6 are 42 plus 4 46, 1 6 is 6 plus 4 10, 4 0 11 2 1, so minus 121.04. Here one digit after the decimal point, here one digit, here one digit, so 2 digit before we have to keep the point, means 121.404. Now 126.00, here 121.04. Here nothing is there means put 0. So 0 minus 4 is not possible. From here we have to borrow. So here 9, it becomes 10. After giving 1 means it is 9. Here 10, 10 minus 4, 6. Here 9, 5 minus 1, 4. So 4.96 meter, that is area of the border. So that is the answer. Area of the border, that is meter square, 4.96 meter square. That is the answer. Eighth sum, a canal of width 1 meter is constructed all along inside the field, which is 24 meter long and 15 meter wide. Find the area of the canal and the cost of constructing the canal at the rate of rupees 12 per square meter. Listen. This is the field. Its length is 24 meter and breadth is 15 meter. Inside the field, canal is constructed. And then width, its width is 1 meter. So what is the area of the canal? This is the canal, no? So we want to find out the area of the canal and cost of constructing this canal. Listen. First write down what they given. Length of the canal, length of the field. Length of field that is capital L. How much? 24 meter. And breadth of the field, that is capital B, that is how much? 15 meter. Now they given the width, wide of the canal equal to 1 meter. Now length of inner rectangle, inner field, that is equal to L equal to length minus 2 into width, that is equal to 24 minus 2 into 1. So 24 minus 2, 22 meter, that is L. And then breadth of the inner field, B equal to B minus 2 into W, that is equal to 15 minus 2, 13 meter, that is small b. Now we want to find out area of the which one? Canal. So area of the canal, first one answer. Find the area of the canal, first one. So put the first number equal to LB minus LB square units, that is equal to 24 into 15 minus 22 into 13. Now multiply that. 24 into 15, 5 4s are 20, carry over 2, 2 5s are 10, plus 2 12, 1 24s are 24, 360 minus 20 13 22s are, listen, first two table, 2 13s are 26, again 2 13s are 26. So 286 that is equal to 360 minus 286, 360 minus 286, 0 minus 6 not possible, so borrow 1 from here, 10 minus 6 4, here 15, so 15 borrow 1 from here means here 5, so 15, it becomes 15, 15 minus 8 7 meter, that is area of the canal. Now constructing cost, we want to find out cost of constructing at how much? Rupees 12 per meter square, that is equal to 74 into 12, 74 into 12, 4 2s are 8, 14, 74, so 888 rupees 888, that is the cost of constructing. Now that is second answer, rupees 888, that is answer. So here exercise 2.3 is over, so children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.